My name's Sam from the YouTube channel Prep Medic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly don and doff rubber gloves. In this case, and these act as personal protective equipment, so they provide a barrier between me and the patient. These are not sterile gloves, and it is okay if the outside is touched. When we're putting them on, it's a pretty simple process. Most of these will be ambidextrous, so it doesn't matter which hand's which. We're just going to take that, put our hands into them, and pull them tight. If your hand is really wet or sweaty, it's going to be difficult to apply these. I've noticed sometimes if they're a little bit wet, it's harder to apply if they're very wet. So if you have a sink, you can run them under the sink and apply these a little bit better. The second one, we're going to do the same thing and put it on. Now, taking these off is a different story. So I don't want to take these off willy-nilly because they might have blood on them or other bodily fluids that I just do not want to touch with my skin, and it would defeat the purpose of these gloves if I did have to come in contact with them. So when we're taking them off, the first glove, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the outside here, put 2 fingers down, and I'm going to slowly roll it inside out so that in theory, all of the bodily fluids are inside of this glove. I'm then going to take this and hold it with my other gloved hand. Now on this hand, I'm going to take 2 fingers and I'm going to slide them under the nitrile glove, so the part that was touching my skin, and very carefully, I'm going to roll this up, encasing the other glove in it, which forms a bag that I can then throw away.